आदल्या सैनिकांच्या जीवनात पेन्शन महत्वाचो घटक असा, कारण कांय सैनिकांची फामील तांच्या ह्याच पेन्शनाचेर अवलंबून आसात, अशें केंद्रीय राज्य संरक्षण मंत्री डॉ. सुभाष भामरे हांणी म्हटलां. वास्को राजहंस ऑडिटोरियमात जाल्ल्या 147वे पेन्शन अदालत कार्यावळीत ते उलयताले. आरडेस्को खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
देश का आप वो हिस्सा है जिसे हम रियल हीरोज मानते हैं, इसलिए मैं उनको सैल्यूट करता हूं जिन्होंने अपने देश के लिए, मातृभूमि की रक्षा के लिए अपनी जानें गंवाई हैं, शहादत उनको मिली है। तो हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे फोर्सेस के, हमारे वेटरन्स के, एक सर्विसमैन के जितने भी प्रॉब्लम्स है उन्हें एड्रेस किया जाए, चाहे उनके वेलफेयर के मामले हो, चाहे उनके पेंशन डिसबर्समेंट के प्रॉब्लम हो, उनके बच्चों के शिक्षा के, और हर साल 80,000 तक फोर्सेस के रिटायर होते हैं, जिंदगी के उस पड़ाव पे रिटायर होते हैं कि जिन पे जिम्मेवारी होती है घर की, बच्चों की शिक्षा की जिम्मेवारी होती है, लड़कियों की शादी होती है, माँ बाप बूढ़े होते हैं, उनकी देखभाल करनी पड़ती है। तो ये जितने भी इश्यूज है, सरकार के माध्यम से इसमें जो भी करना पड़े हम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Pension Adalat is truly of great importance. I would like to explain the same through some personal examples which has actually made me very passionate about this very function. It is only after my father, who was an Indian Air Force officer, passed away 2 years ago, that I got involved in pension issues. He used to keep saying that he would be getting some handsome arrears of pension and would get frustrated when the bank did not credit it to his account. I didn't pay much attention to it at that time. He eventually left for his heavenly abode, and then I got involved in resolving these issues, and finally with some amount of struggle, I got my mother these arrears that went into a few lakhs. How I wish I had done this when he was alive, so that he could derive the pleasure and happiness which he so wanted. This spurred me on to help some more widows and pensioners, and I could help all of them to get pension arrears. In each case was more than 6 lakhs. Here I want to acknowledge the immense help that I got from Commodore C.L. Senning, the officer in charge of the Naval Pension Office. The Naval Pension Office was set up in December 13, and this organization serves as a single unit for all pension-related issues regarding the Navy. They have records of approximately 1,70,000 pensioners, and these records are now being scanned and digitized for better customer satisfaction.